Hi everyone, it's Joni here. I wanted to share with you all quickly some of my favorite ladies in this series I'm working on for my Patreon members. So this is the latest one. This is Lady of the Stars in color. The black and white version is available on YouTube, but all of these that I'm going to show you right now are available for all of my paid members starting at $5 a month on Patreon. And not only these, but hundreds and hundreds more, and they're all commercial free. So I'll go through them again right now with you, just in case you missed them and you're not sure what's on there right now. They don't expire either. Okay, so Lady of the Stars, and here is Lady of the Clouds. Now this one goes nicely with that other one, Lady of the Stars, don't you think? They would make a really nice pair or a set. Then we have this one here, my favorite. I love the ocean and waves and water. This is Lady of the Water. And this one here is Lady of the Forest. This is pretty. I love this one. I love all the colors in it. And then I have a couple of smaller ones here. This is Lady Autumn. And then we have this one here, Lady on the Bridge. The black and white version is available on YouTube. So all the colored versions, the full-length tutorials of the colored versions are available on Patreon. Now I've got hundreds more tutorials. I've been doing these painting challenges with you guys where I'm painting and uploading every day or every other day. It was going to be every other day, but it ended up being every day because I'm just going through a really good creative flow right now. I had a month and a half off, so I do want you guys to know that I'm taking time. If ever I feel like I'm run down or getting burnt out, I stop what I'm doing and I literally just lay on the couch with my dogs and read a book and have a cup of coffee or a cup of tea and go on vacations and visit my family. So I am taking good care of myself. If I wasn't, I would not be able to keep up the amount of videos that I put out here and on YouTube for the past 8 years. So thank you guys. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick little idea of what my studio looks like and what 8 years of painting looks like. If you can believe it, I had even more paintings than this. I recently went through and cleaned out some of my older paintings. I still need to go through them again. We do have a big move coming up in the next year or so. And yeah, this is my studio. Not tidy, not organized. This is how I work. This is how I create in beautiful, messy chaos like this. Now, as you can see, I've got quite a bit of paintings in my studio. I need a bigger studio, or I need to move some of these paintings out of here. My website is down right now. I'm working on a new one. I don't know when that's going to happen, but yeah, I've got a lot of paintings in here. I'm going to start advertising them on social media soon until I get my website done. But it doesn't stop me from painting. Even though I'm running out of room, all I need is a very small space. All I need is enough room for me to stand in front of the easel and get lost in my painting. So I'll leave a link below where you can join my Patreon. It's Joni Young Art Painting, acrylic painting, patreon.com, something like that. I'll have the direct link below. All right, I hope you guys are all excited about these new tutorials. I can't wait to hear from you and see your versions of these. Thanks so much for all of your support. Without you, none of this would be possible. Okay, I will see you guys soon in another video. Bye.